Hey all, welcome to my channel. It's called Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. If not, please take care of yourself. Today, the video is about Nissan. It's a Hot Wheel Nissan Leaf NISMO RC02 and it is series from Hot Wheel Modified. And this is the front and this is the back of the car. And this car is made in Malaysia. So let's take out this beautiful looking red car out of the box and we will talk about this more. Wow, it's a very well designed by Lindsey Lee. As you can see a logo Nissan and we can see a logo Nissan NISMO. As you can see here, that's a Nissan NISMO logo. I think they have added in both the sides. Both sides they have it. And we have in the front we have a Nissan logo and the headlight design is so cool. It looks really cool. That's a cool design. Was being done by Lindsey Lee. So what's the special about this Nissan Leaf NISMO car is it's a Japanese electric concept race car which is designed by Nissan. As the car produces 322 bhp from two motors driving all four wheels and based on Nissan Leaf electric car. That's the story behind this race car, and the best part is it's electric. And the first debut came in 2021 and as it came out in following 164 version, and this is a 2023 model. And let's peek inside and let's peek interior. Oh, I love the interior. The design is so cool. The seats, you can look, it's a two-seater car and the seats look so cool. They are wide and it's a right-hand car. And the glass is smoke tint glass and the base is plastic and the body is die-cast metal. It's a cute little car and they have given a good logo on the sides of the car, and the wheel has a red rim and it's a 5-spoke wheel. And the wheel also looks very cool. Really cool looking car it is. So let's see how does it roll. Rolls smooth. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.